Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Currently, weapons are actually changing throughout the server, and for when we change one weapon, it changes for the other characters as well. So for controlling that, we will add some function here, and before that, here in the update function where we are pressing the right mouse click for changing weapon, we will add and this dot game object dot get component photon view is mine equal to true. So if this character is our own, then only it should change the weapon. Okay, so that's very important. Also we will comment this weapon number, and we can just add this line of code in this function, and this is the this dot get component photon view dot rpc change. So here we are actually adding photon rpc, and name of that rpc is change, that function is change, and rpc target all buffered. So here we will create the pun rpc, and we will create the change function, and we will copy same function over here. So you can just copy and then paste the same function. Weapon number plus plus will be added here, and other things will be the same. Okay, this line of code will not be there. Okay, so other lines will be here. So with these two functions, hopefully our weapons will be controlled by our own character only. So let's see. Okay, so now we have created the build, and we can actually run the build. So let's play it, and also we will just, let's see. Yeah, and now we'll just open the build. And then we will just open the third build as well, just for the testing purpose. So yeah, you can see now we have these two characters. So if we change the weapon, right click, unfortunately both weapons are changing. So what is the issue? Okay, also you can see here the spawns are for all the weapons for some reason. So let's see what is the problem. Okay, so I think we should add the transform view. So that was the mistake. And if we go to the rig, you can see that we have the weapons, and for all the weapons we need transform view component. So here we will say transform photon transform view. Yeah, I think now it should be fixed. So let's build the game and let's try it again. Okay, so now yeah, now you can see the weapons are duplicated, unfortunately. And if we change the weapon, we have the issue. Okay, so now the problem is fixed, and one more important thing is that I have a mistake here. So I was using spawn weapon 1 clone, so it was weapon 1 clone. Okay, so I rechecked in the Unity, so that the name was the weapon 1 clone, weapon 2 clone, like that. So here you will type weapon 1 clone. Okay, and in the weapons pickup, here we have just make him change here, sorry, the weapon changer script. So here in the update function, we have just used the same code, photon view is mine, then we are using only the change function. Okay, so we will not write all this stuff over here. And also, instead of all buffers, we will change it to others buffered. Okay, so that was the mistake as well. So you have to change all buffers to others buffered, and then the same function will go here. Okay, and now it's working fine, I hope so. So let's play, and now you will see that the characters are spawning, and if you change the weapon, you will see that first character will change and the other character is not changing its weapons. So that's great. And also spawning is fine. So if we collect a weapon and then wait for some seconds, it will be respawned again. So yeah, you can see it's and yeah, that's great. And next video will move further. Goodbye.